Hello, I'm Larry Clayton from Larry's Truck Shop in Germany. I'm the MegaMobil dealer for Germany Center, how we say it, Germany Mitte. And we're here at the Caravan Show in Fulda. And yeah, I want to show you a few MegaMobiles we have on our booth here. Let's start with this one. That's the MegaMobil 500 City. That's the smallest MegaMobil which is around. So it's new for 2022. It's
Or 2023, really?
2023.
Yeah, because
really,
2022 now, but
okay.
it's for the next year.
Yeah. We had this first on the Caravan Show in Düsseldorf. Now it's here. It's the lowest roof. So, of course, you don't have really
Much space.
space up here. But this is a vehicle which, is for people who want to use it on a daily use. It's a 5-meter car with the low roof, so it even fits in some park garages, really. Yeah. But we do have, of course, the bed here for two in the back, and one which you can make up here. Another single bed here, so it's a with 4 seats, 3 for sleeping, and we have that stove with the 2 burner. We have that sink, and we also have the Trelino toilet. In this case, I mean, this is an extra to order. If you don't have it, of course, you have more space to put things in.
But I think the toilet is essential, in my opinion.
Yeah, for many it is. The shower, we have the outside shower, which you can use, and there's some, I don't know how you would call it, like a tent, we could put around outside, and you could still have a shower outside. Now my phone is ringing, let me switch that off.
Oh, who could this be?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the MegaMobil, of course, they are all very good insulated with the 2.5 centimeter with the insulation around the Kaiflex or Amaflex, whatever.
Yeah.
And we have that on the sides and the rear doors, and which is very fancy. I love it. It's the way MegaMobil is made. We have this special design here, which can be ordered for just a little option price, which I recommend to do. It's 160 euro extra to order it. Yeah, all the MegaMobils are what I think are very, very nicely made inside. And this is, like I said, the smallest vehicle, 5 meter. We, of course, have the new Truma here, the CP, and the Sea Marine, the camper type, which we have everything you need to know. The front battery, the battery in the back here, 100%, and you can see if you have the solar system, it tells you how much energy you're just getting in right now. Here we have, this is still in Slovene language.
Fresh water or padna water,
fresh
dirty
and wastewater.
water.
So you can put it in German, in English, whatever. The inside, outside temperature, and so on and so on. So,
pitch and roll as well, yeah.
Then you have here, this is the barograph. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the 5-meter car, still with some storage. Of course, there is not a lot of storage, but this is a car which, like I mentioned, can be used in a daily use, and you still have a home where you can go somewhere on a weekend and just stop somewhere and nobody really recognize it that it's a mobile home.
Yeah. And we've got also extractor fan as well.
Yeah, we have the Max Air van. In this one, we even have a television in here, so whoever wants a television can be ordered. So yeah, in this specific car we have here, we have that. And now I'd like to show you the 540 Lounge, which is one of the most favorite vehicles on was one of the most famous vehicles on the caravan show in Düsseldorf, which people really love, because that lounge area or lounge seating space, people really love it. Let's go over there.
Okay, so we'll do that one in a different video. Great.